Aethon Sovereign was the pinnacle of that world. Built to carry 16 passengers above the clouds, she flew for 7 years before the sky swallowed her whole. And then she waited, on a plateau most maps do not name, for 137 years. The company that built her collapsed. The laws that would have saved her were never written. The people who loved her grew old and died. And the Aethon Sovereign simply sat there, perfectly still, perfectly preserved by altitude and cold, holding every dream that was never finished.
Hola!
We found her because of an anomaly in a satellite heat map, a shape that should not have existed on that plateau. When we climbed up and saw her for the first time, no one spoke for a long time. We were looking at proof that the impossible had already happened once. Our job was to make it happen again.
Hold it right there.
Stepping inside was like stepping into a sentence that had never been finished. The Aethon Sovereign had not been abandoned in ruins. She had been left mid-thought, mid-journey. The kind of silence that only exists where something was supposed to continue. The engine room was the heart, and it had been stopped. Not broken, not destroyed, simply stopped. 137 years of arrested motion, waiting for someone to understand it well enough to begin again. In the passenger cabin, someone had left a travel trunk. The leather had not survived, but the brass frame had, perfectly intact, a skeleton of an intention. Someone had packed for a journey they never completed. We completed it for them. The navigation charts were still on the table. In 137 years of abandonment, no one had touched them. The handwriting of a navigator who could not have imagined our world. Precise, careful, confident. We had them conserved. They will fly with the Aethon Sovereign, as they always were meant to. moment the boiler produced its first steam, the sound changed. The entire vessel changed. Something that had been an object became a machine again. It was not beautiful. It was not graceful. It was simply alive. And that was everything. When the last mooring cable released, Aethon Sovereign did not hesitate. She lifted as though she had been waiting for exactly this. As though the 137 years had been a held breath. And this was its release. The plateau fell away. The sky opened. She flew. This is not a replica. This is not a recreation. Every rivet is original. Every brass fitting was cleaned by hand. The charts on the navigation table are 137 years old. The Aethon Sovereign is the same vessel that first crossed the sky in 1887. She is simply, finally, where she belongs. We do not restore things because the past was better. We restore them because some ideas are too important to lose. The Aethon Sovereign was proof that human beings could imagine something and then build it, even when every calculation said it was impossible. Restoration is not nostalgia. It is defiance. It is the refusal to let the best of what we were disappear into silence. Some things